to add someone to your Google Search Console. So first we're going to go to Google Search Console. The web address is search.google.com. And then you're going to click on the Start Now button. And if you're logged into your Gmail account that's linked to your Google Search Console, this will show up. So the way you're going to add someone once you've gotten here is you are going to click on Settings. Once you've clicked on Settings, Settings is on the left-hand side. You're going to scroll down, you'll find Settings, you'll click on Settings, and then you are going to click on Users and Permissions. So right here is where you're going to add a user. And right here, you're going to add the email address. Adding a fake email address. It needs to be a Gmail account or you're going to have problems. And you will give them full or restricted. So you decide. We're going to go for full, and then you click add, and then they will be added. And that's how you add someone to Google Search Console. Thanks for watching. Bye.